are graced by some very fun squirrels in our backyards, as gray squirrels are common in the Syracuse area, like Oakwood Cemetery, where we are today. You see them doing all kinds of things, like hanging off bird feeders or scurrying across telephone wires. They are very active this time of year, gathering and storing nuts for winter. Squirrels select, store, and find nuts in very specific ways. There are actually certain nuts they prefer. And how do they find them months later after burying them? I'll explain. Squirrels eat a variety of hard nuts and seeds in the fall, including walnuts, beech nuts, hickory nuts, and acorns. Gray squirrels eat the acorns from white oaks first and store the acorns from red oaks for later. The acorns from white oaks are sweeter and mature sooner than the acorns from red oaks. If the squirrels don't eat the acorns from the white oaks right away, they might sprout and then they would no longer be edible. Red oak acorns, fresh from the tree, might taste bitter because of high tannin levels. But these same tannins help these acorns avoid decay, and therefore they last much longer. So red oak acorns are storable while the white oak acorns spoil sooner. If you see half-eaten red oak acorns like these, chances are they tasted bad because the tannin levels were too high. As gray squirrels find nuts in the fall, they bury them one by one all over their territory. This is called scatter hoarding. One benefit of burying their nuts all over is hiding their food supply from other animals. But then how do the squirrels find their food if they've scattered it all over the ground? You might have heard that gray squirrels smell out nuts, and that it's a myth that they can remember where the nuts are stored. But actually, a number of scientific studies have shown that it's a combination of memory and smell, and that gray squirrels use their keen sense of smell along with visual and spatial clues to locate their food supply. Since squirrels are active during the day, they have specific geographic points to aid their search, and then their sense of smell takes over to pinpoint where to dig for their food supply. So if you have oak, hickory, or walnut trees in your backyard, chances are you have some very busy squirrels right now. Enjoy them as they scurry around getting ready for winter.